How to connect to VPN server using ExpressVPN. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to connect to a VPN server using the ExpressVPN. So in that case, you have to first of all install the ExpressVPN app and make sure that you have already created your account. So in my case, I happen to already create my account, but due to some security concern, I'm unable to show you the procedure. So I'm just gonna instruct you. So when you're logged into your account, then you have to go and locate the following location for which you wish to connect it. So when you get the VPN app, you can check your email and follow the download link and then sign in into your. When you open up the particular location, then you can go ahead and click on the connect button. As you do that, then you'll be receiving a confirmation stating that you're connected to a following server, and that's how you can connect to a VPN server using the ExpressVPN. And that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.